What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing great out there today. And today I want to jump into my decision to buy some more drip here recently. Before I do that, I'm going to try to avoid coughing the best I can today, but I've got some kind of crazy sinus issue going on right now. So it's painstaking to get out a video, but I wanted to talk about my recent buy and why I'm doing that. And as you guys always know, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. And whatever you invest in is totally up to you. Just do your own research. All right, so now with that out of the way, let's talk about this. So the other day, it was Sunday, the price of drip had dropped. I think we were down around $6 when I bought on Sunday. Yeah, I think it was like $6.02 or something like that. So I went ahead and I bought $225 worth of drip. So I added some more to my faucet. I added this to my deposit here, and I'm up to $621 now. And I'm gonna add probably more coming up, to be honest. The price today, when I looked at it, had dropped down. We're at $5.55 right now. So I'm seriously considering adding more of this because long term, I believe in drip. And as I've stated over and over again, long-term, I do believe the price will get back to those all-time highs at some point. I do think we will see a lot of people coming back in here. And I think we're going to see the price increase here in sometime in November. Because I know in 6 days, the Animal Farm launch is coming, and everyone's super excited about it. And I think the ecosystem for drip, you're going to see a lot of money flowing in back into the ecosystem. So I don't care even what it goes up by. And I've stated before, and I will state this continuously, that the price of drip doesn't ultimately matter. It could go all the way down to 20 cents right now. Now, I don't want it to do that, but it could go all the way down to like 20 cents. And still within a year, you're still at a positive balance and making money over what you got in at if you're hydrating. So maybe I'll do a video on that coming up too and just show you guys some numbers on that. But it's absolutely crazy to think about that it could go that low and you can still be at a positive balance. And there's not a whole lot of stuff in the crypto space that you can say that about. Now, right now, and again, not financial advice, but I think $5.55 is a heck of a buying point. I do think we're going to see some stuff go to the moon. Again, like I've stated before, probably sometime in 2023, 2024, whenever the economy, the crypto market starts turning around again. I don't have that pulled up right now, but I think this morning we were under the trillion mark. I think we were at like 968 billion for the entire crypto market. So I think we need to get up there into the 2.5 trillion, somewhere around in that range, to really see the markets boom again. But hey, that's my take on it. One thing that I do want to point out, super positive note here for drip, I've been positive all along, but here's something else that's positive. I don't know if you guys have ever checked out the Dune stats on drip, but this is really cool. So the new accounts that have already come in this month, there's 2,309 new accounts on drip. Now we can go back. Let me pull this up here too. Where are we at? Monthly new. Okay. So you can pull up this line chart here and we can look at the monthly new accounts that we've gained in drip over the summer and all the way through September here. And in June we had 4,900 and then just over 5,000, 6,600 here, 6,200 here. So just over the last 4 months of drip, we've gained over 20,000 wallets here, 20,000 new accounts coming in. So while we're not at the crazy all-time highs where we were in January hitting like almost 30,000 wallets here, we're still gaining new wallets every single month. So this ecosystem is not stopping. It's not slowing down. There's new people coming in constantly. And the excitement that's going to jump back in here from Animal Farm, I think, is going to really help boost all these accounts up too. Now, if you've never used Dune, I'll throw a link in the description below. But really cool place. You can look at all kinds of stuff in here. You can look at the drip faucet balance. You can look at the drip pool balance. balance in wallets. You can look at all the buys and sells for the day, and this just puts it in a nice, easy to view manner. So you can just click that, you can pull it up, you can watch the line chart. I know some of you guys love stats, so if you're a big stat fan, you know, this is kind of cool to take a look at. But anyway, all that to say, I like seeing all the new accounts coming in. I know people who are like 70 years old jumping into this, you know, so there's not an age limit to where there's only, you know, new people that are coming in that are only tech savvy. You're starting to see people come into this that aren't tech savvy, that they just know how to get a MetaMask wallet and they know how to get a drip account based on what they've watched people do. So it's really cool to see. I love seeing all this stuff. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys that. I wanted to talk to you guys about me buying more drip. And like I said, I'm probably going to make another buy. Now, that being said, I wanted to keep this video kind of short and sweet. I'm going to keep growing my balance. I want to get this back up so my deposits can grow higher. So I'm going to start depositing more money in here and dollar cost averaging in, because I do want to ultimately grow this wallet, especially in this bear market. You know, I want to keep sticking money in here and keep pushing this up. So you'll see me grow this continually. If you're not on a team yet and you're looking to get in the drip, again, not financial advice, but right now, good price point. And I've got a small team, so there's a high chance that you're going to end up getting tokens from me. Everyone on my team has received an airdrop from me. I'm going to keep giving out airdrops, so that's just free drip tokens to you if you're on my team. If you're interested in that, jump in below. I'll put the link in the description as well. So guys, what are you doing? Are you buying more drip right now? Are you excited for the Animal Farm launch coming up in 6 days? What are your plans? Are you putting all your money over there right now, or getting all your money ready for Animal Farm, or are you getting deeper into drip? So like I've said before, I'm not into Animal Farm yet. I haven't jumped in. I'm focused on drip. I like the drip ecosystem, and I'm going to keep putting money into this and growing it. Anyway, guys, let me know below what you're doing, and hope you guys are having a great day. I will see you guys in another video.